This is Brandon from Van Taxi's Chair, back with another video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Today I'm going to be doing a bald fade on my client. So I'm starting out with my 5/0 blade on my detachable clippers. And I'm just setting in my bald line, or my close to bald line. Now that I've gotten that done, I'm going in with my number 3 blade. I'm taking that up to its parietal ridge, just a little bit below it, and getting that so I can blend up to the top. Now I'm taking my JRLs. I have them open. When they're open, it's about a 1. So I'm taking that 1 to get another guideline in there. So now I have a 3, a 1, and a 0. I'm going to use my JRLs to get from that 0 to the 1. So I have them closed, almost closed, and I'm blending out that very bottom line, and then I'm just going to work my way up until I get to having them open again to get all of the heaviness out. Y'all, this is the 3rd time I've done this voiceover. This is about to piss me off. Now that I've gotten that done, I'm going in with my Fat Masters. I'm kind of flicking my wrist at the top of where that 3 is coming to meet that 2 with the Fat Masters. And I'm blending it out just to get everything where I need it to be. I have them halfway closed to start blending out that line. And I've just closed them, which would be close to a 1A. And I'm going to blend the 1A to the 1. And again, just work my way up until I get the heaviness out and everything's looking blended nicely. So I'm closing using my corners just to get that 1 or that 1 and the A kind of blended together. I just want to tell you all, thank you for watching, thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing. I appreciate it all. Make sure you like this video, make sure you comment so the algorithm knows to push my channel. I need my channel push. But right now, I'm using clipper over comb just to get the bulk out. It helps a lot. Usually I use a bigger comb to do clipper over comb, but I had the haircutting comb in my hand, so that's what I used, and it worked out great. But it helps a lot to get the bulk out when you have really heavy spots. Clipper over comb is the way to go. I'm just going back in, seeing places that are kind of heavy, checking my mirror to see what I'm seeing in the reflection, because sometimes your eyes can get a little, you don't see the details as good after you've been looking at a haircut for a while. So when you look at the mirror, it just helps you to see where there's dark places or things that don't look exactly how you would want them to. And I'm also trying a new format with this video. I am doing just this one section of his hair, and then I'm going to repeat those steps on the other sides. But the steps are all the same from the side to the back to the other side. All right, now I'm getting started with his shear cut on top. He wanted about a 1/2 inch off the top, so that's what we're doing. And I get my guide started in the back with that 1/2 inch off, and I just follow it all the way to the front. I do vertical partings on my initial cut. So as you can see at the front where my fingernails are, that's where I cut off, because that's the part that was sticking out from the guide that I had cut. And you're just going to follow these steps throughout your client's cut. As you can see, again, that little front part is what needed to be cut off. It was sticking out, so I know that's not where my guide is. Oh, Lord, I didn't record this thing so many times. I thought it ended on me. Whew. Wipe the sweat from my brow. Hey, you won't break my soul. Hey, you won't break my soul. Ha ha. Oh, baby, baby.
Boy, if you don't get...
Make sure you got your client's hair nice and wet when you're cutting it. All right, after I've gotten that initial cut done, I'm going to go in and do my cross check. Going to be pulling this hair in horizontal sections and just making sure that everything is even. This is a good way to make sure your cut is even and your client is happy. So that's what I'm doing here. I also shaved the side that I did the other side of the lineup off camera, but I just wanted this video to be quicker. And we have the final cut. I didn't add any enhancements or anything to his lineup. I still like the way that it looks. He's an athlete, so the enhancements gonna wash out the same day. But I just wanted to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and share this video with anybody. It might help anybody that wants to see it. I appreciate all the love and feedback. Thanks. Bye.